In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Binance trading bot. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to your preferred browser or open it, then go here in the URL section and type binance.com. That should take you into their website right away. If you have an account, go to the top right corner and make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and click on sign up instead. For me, as an example, I do have an account, so I'll just log in into it. For you, you can go and create an account. Of course, you can use a Google, Apple, or Telegram account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So here, I'll need just an authenticator app code, which is very necessary for me to log in. And I would advise you to enable the 2FA for you as well. Why? Because it's very useful, specifically when you are looking for more security, because nobody will be able to log into your account even if they have a password if they don't have that code that changes constantly through your app. So for me, I'm just going to enter those codes right here and I should be logged in without any issues. Of course, just do this, stay logged in and click on yes. So here I am logged in now into my Binance account. So once you're logged in, if you don't have your accounts verified yet, you'll need to go and verify it. As you can see, if you do have in your dashboard this verify to access all Binance services, you'll have to click on verify now, and they will ask you, or they will show you the steps basically to verify your accounts, because verifying it is very important if you want to use their trading bots. So if I go as an example, let me just show you here to my account, and as example, I go here to my account right away. And here in identification, as you can see, the verification levels. So do you have verified first of all, where you will get some stuff. So the fiat limits, verified plus, you'll get some more stuff, and verified plus to get higher fiat limits and a lot of other stuff. We don't care about these two. If you have just the first one, you'll be able to use the trading bots. And to do the first one, you can just simply enter some personal informations like your government's ID and maybe your passport if you do have that. If you want to, your driver license, you'll be able to verify yourself using one of those options. So once you verified yourself, as an example, we will have to go and navigate to the trading bots. We can go here to trade at the top, and here we'll find trading bots. Trade smarter with our various automated strategies. So if I go and click on that, I'll be taken here to this trade bots. So you can first of all discover our trading bots. If you go here and click on learn more, you'll be able to learn more about it. If you have no clue about it, I would advise you to take some time. Of course, if you're using the app, you can see the app. If you're using websites, you can see the websites option. So they will show you how to create a spot a grind trading strategy. And as an example, they will show you how to do it exactly. Like go there, go and log in. As example, click on trade, trading bots, go and create your strategy. You'll be redirected and stuff. So they'll show you everything, how to use it. So I would advise you to go through it. It will not take you more than 2 minutes if you want like the exact details about them, because they will show you an example what I'm going to do in this video. Let's just even follow them, why not? So here they're telling us to create a spot grind strategy. So basically you can go to trade the trading bots. Here, then we will have to create our strategy. As an example, they tell us to simply go and click on the spot grind. So you'll be directed to the spot grind trading interface. You can go to the market where you want to trade. For example, Bitcoin in USDT. Of course, for us, I'm just going to do so. I'm just going to create a spot grind. So click on create and they take us to the markets as they said. And here's an example, you'll need to set up a bot and price as an example, the price range that you allow the bot to run, the grids as an example, the number of grids within the price range, which affects the profits grind. Then as an example, you'll need to run a bot when the price drops, hits the buy order, and the bot will place or sell orders on grid up from that grid. And when the price rise and hits the sell order, the bot will place a buy order on grid down, as an example, on grid down from that grid. So then all open orders will be cancelled when the bot stops. Enabling sell all base coins on stop will automatically sell all base coins at market price and will be transferred to your spot account when the grid is stopped. When disabled, all base coins will be transferred to your spot account and keep it in there. So you can go here and start trading. They tell you everything that you want. Of course, you can also, if you want to see some popular bots and you can copy them. So very simple. But I wouldn't advise you to copy blindly, even if they are popular, even if they have the top, as example, PNL and good stuff, everything. Of course, you can look first of all for the pair that you want. So if you want like Bitcoin, USDT, you'll be able to find that. So, as example, if you want that example, you can see the popular in that and etc. You can see even all. Totally up to you. Totally, you can go to the markets that you want to trade in. So let's say, example, we want to go to the BTC or Bitcoin USDT, and we want to look for trading bots that are good here. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click on it. Of course, as you can see for me, they tell me to verify my accounts because it's required, and see everything about it. So just verify their strategy. If their strategy is good, that's good to go. You can simply copy it and start using it as well. If they're not good, or if it's not good, it will go back to you. If they lost, you will lose as well. So that's why I told you to not just go and blindly copy bots everywhere. So you can go and make your own, or of course you can copy as well. If you don't want to follow the popular, you can make one manually. So as you can see, you can find here or make the price range, which is the lower and upper. You can also autofill, example, which will be, and they will show you here an example. And let me just go and clear all. Yeah. Then also you can choose the number of grid, depending if you want arithmetic or geometric. And here, investments, how much you're willing to invest. As we said, you can always just autofill, but you can adjust however you want. So, for example, I want a 50 grid instead. I want, for example, the price range to be from 90,000 example instead. And the price 120. Of course, Joe, don't like follow those numbers. Those are like random. And here maybe 60. We changed it before, but it's fine. An example, I want to invest, I don't know, 10,000. Let's just say 10,000. So yeah, let's just say that. And here, of course, you'll have to go and click on create. For me, I don't have any sufficient. So even if I type 100, they will keep showing me this. I cannot create it. Why? Because I still don't have any like available or assets in my wallets. So I can go here, example, to my wallet overview. As you can see, I'll find having $0 or 0 USDT, 0 Bitcoin. So make sure to deposit some for you if you want to do this first. So yeah, you can choose here. Let's say I want to just invest $1,000 and you can go here and create. You have here some advanced options, but just optional. If you want to do some trailing up, you can see what does that mean. Grid trigger, TP and SL, the stop loss, and I don't know what TP is. I guess it take profits or something like that. And you can even sell here all BTC on stop as example. So you can do some stuff here if you want to, totally up to you, of course. If you check any of them, they might come with some features, so you'll have to fill that up. Then click on create and you should be good to go creating your bot and it will work automatically. You don't have to keep going through it again and again. So yeah, that's if you want to create manual. We have popular and we have this AI, where you'll find example some stuff that you can copy as well. That's are don't think is made by people, but as you can see, you can customize their parameters, so you can use them and customize their parameters. So they have here some logical stuff. You can also like customize it, so you can use this instead. Sorry, so should click on customize as you can see, and you can click on this one. So, for example, this is from 3 to 7 days, this is from 7 to 30, this is from 1 month to 2, this is from 3 to 6 months. So this is like long term, mid term, short to mid term, and this is short term. So yeah, it's totally up to you to copy whatever you want. And once you click on copy, as you can see, you will be able, and of course for you, you will not get this, you will just get create or copy, and it will start working right away. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.